How to sign in with email on Palmon Survival. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to sign into Palmon Survival with email, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump in. First of all, go ahead and launch open your Palmon Survival game on your device. And once you're inside the game homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now, it'll open up this Explorer info page where you need to tap on settings at the bottom center. On the next page where it says setting, tap on account. Inside the user center, go ahead and tap on the link option right next to email address. Now, enter a valid email address you want to use for your account and tap on link. Make sure that you type in your own email address you haven't access to, and then you'll receive a verification code sent to you on your provided email. Go check your email inbox and enter the 6-digit verification code that you received from Lilith. Go ahead and write down the code in the text box that appears on the screen, and then you have successfully linked an email address to Palmon Survival. If you want to keep your Palmon progress safe, always link your account with email instead of staying on guest login. You can also go ahead and link to any other socials by tapping on the link social option and choosing one of the options and following through the instructions. So there you have it. That is how you easily link email address on Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.